bought this Grayco car seat, and I was just getting ready to put it in the car, getting ready to fasten the straps and stuff. And then I found out that, this one's not being put on correctly, because it'll fit in without twisting it. But they put this one on the same way round on the left side. No, it goes the other way round on that side. So, yeah, it's wrong. Well, this has a bulged out bit here. And this one, it's on the back. So it should be this way round. Otherwise, it's going to put a twist in the strap, and it's not going to fit the kid properly. Brilliant. So now I've got to take all the straps off and fix that. And to do that, you've got to get on the back. And see this thing here? I've got to get that strap out of here, which is going to be great with my arthritic thumbs. And I love that. And feed it through, get everything off from the other side. Get all this stuff off. Reverse that and put it all back together. Perhaps this is the clearest way to show the issue. So this strap, which I believe was assembled correctly, see it's nice and flat here, and the metal piece is towards the inside. This one is nice and flat here, and it's also flat underneath. I did check underneath, it's flat underneath, but the metal piece goes to the outside. That's wrong, it should go to the inside. So I've got the strap all the way through, so all I've got to do is pull this thing off, pull that thing off, reverse it, put it all back together. So this is the right way these go on. While I was getting that right, I lost track of which way to do this end. So now I'm getting them to twist the same way inwards. Put this clip into the plastic bit. So that's how it's going to go through. I'm going to put it through that way. So threading the strap back through the seat is proving to be difficult for me. It may be easy for some people, but not for me. I previously made up this hook for my Concept 2 rowing machine, so I can hold the chain with it. I'm going to use that. I'm going to poke that through the slot in the back and use that to pull the strap through. So does it go through far enough? Yay! There it is. Right there. So I'll use that. Alright, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Yes. There it goes. That was easy. So I think that is how it was meant to look, and not with this one twisted. So I think that'll go over the legs without a twist in it, which will hurt the kid. And everything seems straight now.